Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the REESE Explore 1,391,300 Rooftop Cargo Basket, a versatile solution for maximizing your vehicle's storage capacity. Measuring 44 by 35 inches, this robust cargo basket can securely hold up to 125 pounds of gear, freeing up valuable space inside your vehicle. Crafted from high-quality heavy-duty steel, its durable black powder coating provides excellent protection against the elements, resisting rust and scratches for long-lasting use. The sleek, aerodynamic design features an angled front windshield to minimize drag, ensuring a smoother ride. With easy assembly and adjustable mounting, this cargo basket fits most vehicles with crossbars, including round, square, aero, and factory-installed options, making it perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, and other large vehicles. Whether you're heading out on a road trip or simply need extra storage for your daily commute, the REESE Explore Rooftop Cargo Basket is built to handle your needs with ease and reliability. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out this fantastic addition to your travel gear. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.